Hi, I'm Ace's home expert, Lou Manfredini, and in this video, we'll show you how to make a dry erase wall in any part of your home. It's great for kids to figure out schoolwork or to do a list for your home. Let us show you how it's done. Now, the product we're using is Rust-Oleum Specialty Dry Erase Paint Kit. Now, what I like about this paint kit is that besides walls, it can also go on doors too, and you can choose the size and shape of it. Now, with my spot on the wall selected and taped off, we'll lightly sand the surface and then wipe it clean of dust. Next, stir both of these cans separately with a painter's stick. Then, pour part A into part B and stir thoroughly, combining the two. From there, use a good quality dense foam roller to apply the space for a smooth finish. Keep in mind, you'll have about an hour to apply the paint before it firms up. This is a one-coat coverage paint, so once you've applied the paint, carefully remove the painter's tape. This paint needs 3 to 4 hours to fully dry, and you'll need to wait 3 days for it to fully cure and be used. Be sure to only use dry erase markers on this space, and when you want to clean the markings off the wall, use a dry eraser or a lint-free cloth. It's that fast and easy. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one. For more tips and advice, just visit your neighborhood Ace, because Ace is the helpful place.